Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop down onto all fours and come to kneeling towards the front of your mat for a quad stretch known as Half Reclining Hero pose. Bring your right foot flat to the mat and drop down inside your left foot with your left heel next to your hip. Move your right foot out to the right as far as you need to bring both sitting bones flat to the mat. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, place your hands behind you, fingertips facing forward, and start to lean back. Come down just as far as is comfortable, to your hands, elbows, or all the way down. If you're on the mat, you can bring your arms up overhead and hold onto your elbows. Stay here for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in the front of your left thigh as well as at your abs. Last inhale. Exhale, release your arms, press into your elbows and carefully lift yourself back up. Lean to the right, bring your left foot to the mat and your right foot back beside your hip. You can walk your left foot out a few inches if you need to bring your sitting bones flat to the mat. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, lower yourself back as far as is comfortable. Bring your arms up overhead and hold onto your elbows to deepen the pose. Breathe into the stretch in the front of your right hip. Last inhale. Exhale, release your arms, press into your elbows and carefully lift yourself back up. Bring the soles of your feet flat to the mat in front of you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, lower slowly down to the mat.